Today we are going to discuss about research methodology. So research is an search of knowledge from the name research. So research is a systematic effort to gain from knowledge from new things. Research is a systematic process to collect information and analyze data. From the analyzed data, we get a result for that search. According to Redman and Moray, research is defined as a systematic effort to gain new knowledge. So research is a process of finding a solution for a problem or a study or an analysis. Research provides a needed information that required for decision making. The information provided for the research will be carefully analyzed and gathered first hand of data. So, objectives of research. The main objective of research is to gain familiarity with the phenomenon or the things that we are going to research. To portray accurate characteristics of a particular individual or a group of people, that is called as descriptive research. To determine the frequency in which something occurs. Then to test the hypothesis, which is the relationship between the variables. So characteristics of research. Research is directed towards the solution of a problem. Research is based upon the observable experience or empirical evidence. Research depends only the accurate observation or description. Results involve gathering the data from in the hand of primary or secondary sources of information. Research activities are categorized by carefully designed by the procedures. Research requires expertise. This research expertise to collect its data through an skilled person. Research is objective or logical in nature. Research involves the quest of answer for an unsolved problem. Research requires courage. Research is characterized by passions and unhurried activities. Research may be recorded and reported. Scientific method of research. Research is a process systematically designed and executed. Science refers to the body of systematic and organized. So basic postulates in scientific method. It relies the empirical evidence. It utilizes the relevant concept committed only on objective consideration. Ethical neutrality prohibits predictions. Methodology has been done. Aims to formulate the scientific formulations. So, criteria for a good research. The purpose of the research should be clarifyly defined. The process of the research must be detailed. The research design is well planned. The highly ethical standards should be applied. Limitations are frankly revealed. Adequate analysis for decision makers is needed for a good research. Findings to be presented unambiguously. Conclusions are justified. Researcher experience reflected. The qualities of a good research. The research must be systematic and logical, empirical and replicable, and creative one. Use of multiple methods. Need for an research. The research may be due to an exploitation, diagnosis, hypothesis, and inductions and deductions. Scope of a research. Research for decision making. Research for risk, light of risk. Identify alternative course of action. Helps in economic and resources. Helps in project identification. Helps in economic planning, policy makings. Solves investment problems and pricing problems, allocation problems. Solves decision making issues in HR. Solves various operational and planning problem business in industries. Provide basics for overall government policy makings. Help social scientists in study social relationship. So problems in research. It is not similar to science, somewhat different from science. It is uncontrollable. There is uncontrollable variables are in research. Human tendencies are there. Time and money can be spent in research. Lack of computerization, lack of scientific training in the methodology of research. Insufficient interaction between the university research department and business and establishment, lack of code of conduct, difficulty of adequate time and secretarial assistance.